Hello, good morning everyone. I'm back and welcome to my channel. My name is Larisse and today I'm going to show you how to make almond flour and coconut flour pancakes. The original recipe asks for low-carb ingredients, which means there's only a little percentage of sugar in it. However, in this recipe, although the pancakes are low-carb, I decided to add like slices of mango and some maple syrup to sweeten our pancakes. So let's start. All we need is 1 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of coconut flour, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of erythritol, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 3 eggs and 1/3 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. You can use butter, and then you mix the ingredients well until everything is well combined. Since we like cinnamon so much, I decided to add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And then mix it well again until everything is well combined. Let's turn the stove on and let's make our first pancake. I suggest to keep the temperature down to avoid burning our pancakes. See how I try to flip it over? And it turns out pretty nice, I think. Once you get past the trickiest part of making the pancakes, which is to flip it over, I think the next pancakes will be easier for you to do, just like this. This recipe is one of the low-carb recipes that I've made in our kitchen, but I haven't made videos of them yet. Maybe in the future I'm gonna start recording them and I'm gonna put them all in this channel. If you follow a strict keto diet, then you can just omit the mangoes and the maple syrup, and instead you can eat it with like slices of avocado and use a low-carb sweetener, just like the Erythritol. Butter would be an excellent option too. One tip that I always do, even cooking dishes, I turn on the oven to 50 degrees and leave it on for a while and place the food inside so they don't get cold. We don't really do strict keto or strict low carb, because one time when we just started, I think it was last December or early this year, I had this massive migraine and I couldn't sleep for many nights because of it, and I think it was because my body was getting into ketosis. So for those of you, if you're on a strict keto diet, you can just omit the mangoes and the maple syrup. So here's the pancakes. I made, I think, a total of 5 medium-sized pancakes. And it's time to arrange everything on a bigger plate. I always try to make our food prettier. and add some maple syrup. Usually only add a little bit because I don't really have a sweet tooth, but my husband likes it sweeter, so he would put more. And lastly, add a pinch of cinnamon to make the plate look more attractive. So here's my almond flour pancakes with mango slices. I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.